Thank you, class, for joining. And today we are going to discuss implementing strategies. In strategic management, we are covering three broad functions. The three broad functions are: number one is strategic planning or strategy formulation. Number two is strategy implementation or implementing strategies. And number three is strategic evaluation. Strategic evaluation will begin from the next chapter. Chapter 7 and 8 is ultimately discusses about the functional strategies. Functional strategies are important to implement the strategies. So ultimately the strategies today we will discuss is about functional strategies also. The previous lecture, that was also implementing strategies, and that was about management, HR, and operations strategies. But today, we are going to discuss about marketing strategies, finance accounting strategies, research and development strategies, management information related issues. And as continuation of our model of strategic management, or we said it is the comprehensive strategic management model. There we have learned about the mission and vision statement. We learn about the external audit, that means external analysis. We learn about the internal audit, internal analysis, and then we choose the strategy. We set the strategy, a long-term mission of the company based on our external and internal analysis, and then we evaluate. How we evaluated the strategies that we have chosen here? We have different matrices. We have discussed about the different metrics. So for example, internal factors evaluation matrix that we have done here in chapter 4. External factors evaluation matrix done here in chapter 3. Competitive profile matrix done there in chapter 4. Then we apply or we develop matrices based on internal factors and external factors. And the matching stage of internal strength and weakness with the external threats and opportunities was reflected in SWOT matrix. Here, if you can recall, SWOT matrix, space matrix, and IE matrix, internal, external matrix. Some additional metrics we have discussed there. So for example, grand matrix, market growth and market share. Similar type of matrix is known as BCG matrix. BCG matrix and grand matrix are related with market share and market growth. After evaluating the strategies, we have select one of the missions through QSPM. If you can recall QSPM, quantitative strategic planning matrix, or QSPM. After choosing the strategies, chapter 6 ultimately finalizes which one is the best among all the alternatives. That means our strategic plan or strategy formulation is over up to chapter 6. After choosing the new mission, after choosing the long-term objective, After choosing the best alternative among the alternatives, we are now implementing the strategies. Implementing. What is implementing the strategies? Implementing the strategies means that you will use your management structure, metrics organization, operational issues, operations metrics. So while you will implement the strategy mission, then you have to measure what is the HR issues. What are the HR strategies? What are the operation strategies? These strategies will help you to implement your mission and to achieve your ultimate corporate objective. And we are moving forward. Sorry. Here, in the previous lecture, that means chapter 7, we discussed about the management strategies, operation strategies, and mainly HR strategies. Now today we are going to discuss about marketing strategies, finance strategies, accounting issues, R&D and MIS issues in today's lecture. So on chapter 7 and 8, there will be a quiz. After chapter 7, we have completed, and now we are moving to discuss about the chapter 8. And after completing the chapter 8, we will sit for a short quiz of 10 minutes. So what are the marketing strategies? Let's start with marketing. So to set the marketing strategies, what you have to do, you have to know several basic concepts. These concepts will help you to choose your marketing strategy, whether you are going to create a market niche, whether you are going to create long-term image marketing positioning, whether you are going to create a new segment. These are all strategies, whether you are going to choose a different pricing strategies or low price strategy, whether you are going to increase your market size or whether you are going to increase your market share. So these definitions, this slide will help you to understand how to implement marketing strategies to achieve the corporate strategies. Marketing strategies means functional strategies. So market primarily come to the definition of market. What is market? Set of actual and potential buyers. That means buyers of your product is known as market. Buyers of your product. So you need to have a product and then you can say market. Market of PowerPoint slides. PowerPoint slide is a product and the buyers of PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint is the market of the product. Product is PowerPoint. And we are the buyers, so we are known as the market. For logistic services. Logistic service is the product. Maybe you're thinking that how service becomes product. All services are product. Product means anything that is offered to the market. Product means what? Anything offered to the market. Market means buyers. Anything offered to the buyers is product. It may be tangible, it may be intangible. So your logistic service is intangible product. That means you are providing a service that is your intangible product. So logistics service is the product and buyers are the, say for example, importers and exporters. Logistics service is bought by the importers to get delivered the product and exporters to deliver the product. So logistics service market. You can say logistics service market. So your product is logistics service, and buyers are the exporters and importers, or maybe buyers and sellers of product. So your logistic market is clear, I think. So do you have any confusions? What is logistic market?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Then what is market share? Market share means what percentage of market is captured by our firm. Now, logistic service is a product, and logistic market is the market product, logistic market. So your firm is, say, for example, Marx is your firm. So your firm is selling, that means, or providing services to 1 million equivalent customers. Maybe 1 million, $100 you are earning from each customer. So we are converting the number of buyers into monetary value. So your total sales amount is 1 billion. 1 billion. So 1 billion is your share out of, say, for example, here some statistics is given that the global cargo shipping market is estimated at 16.7 billion. So when the market size is 16.7 billion, it means that all cargo shipping companies are selling 16.7 billion equivalent services to the buyers. And what is your market share? Here the statistics say that MSC has 20.2% share, Marx has 14.3% share, CGM has 12.7% share. So how this share have been calculated? This share have been calculated by dividing your amount of sales divided by 16.7. Then the question comes, what are the revenue or sales of these companies? These companies' sales are, say, for example, here total sales is 16.7 billion. So total market size, market size is 16.7 billion. And are you getting? Market size is not measured by any market size is not measured by square meter. Market size means number of buyers buying your product. And this buying amount is converted into dollar. 16.7 billion, and your Marx share is 20.2%. So 20.2% means what? 20.2%. 20.2% means your amount of sales is 3.37 billion. Or alternatively, you can identify your sales. Your company's sales is 3.37 billion. So what is the market share? Market share equals your buyer divided by total buyer. Your share is 20.2%. So maybe the example makes you clear what is market, what is market size, what is market share. Because our previous lecture was related to strategy choice. There we have concluded our choice based on market share and market growth. And now the issue may come before you that what is the market growth? It is 2024. And in 2023, the total market was 15 billion and your sales was 3 billion. So what was your market share? Your market share was 20%. Your market share was 20%. So there is a market growth. Your market growth. Your market growth. What is your market growth? Your market growth was 3.37 minus 3 divided by 3.37. Not 3.3. Base year was, this one is base year, not, it is MN8. So your market growth was 12.33%. And the total market growth was 16 minus this one divided by 15. Total market growth was 11.33%. So your market growth was better than real industry growth. This market growth means industry growth. So this market share and market growth, these figures are used to explain the grand matrix and to explain the BCG matrix. So the idea of market is clear, I think. What is market? And what is market share is also clear. What percentage of market is captured by your firm? Market size, monetary value of the actual and potential sales, market size, 16 billion or 15 billion. And market mix, the people. The marketing department of the company undertakes product strategy, price strategy, place strategy, and promotion strategy. What is product strategy? Developing a new product, developing a differentiated product strategy. What is price strategy? Offering lower price product, offering market skimming price, offering market penetration pricing. What is place strategy? Place is known as the distribution channel in marketing. Place means what? Distribution channel. How you are distributing your product. Is it direct channel? Indirect channel? It is through intermediary. It is through buying house. There are a lot of strategies you can undertake under place. Place means distribution channel. It may be direct sales from website. It may be selling through intermediaries. It may be through three-tier channel. So place, how you are reaching your product to the customers is place. So place doesn't mean any geographical location in marketing. Place means the distribution channel, or in other words, how you are reaching your product to the market buyers, how you are reaching your product to the users. And final marketing mix, also we say that these are a comprehensive definition of market is promotion. What is promotion? Promotion means in previous case in place, how you are distributing the product. Here in promotion, how sorry, how you are reaching the information of the product to the market buyers. So here, how you are reaching the product is place. And in promotion, how you are reaching the information of the product. That means you have a product to sell. How the consumers will know. How you are reaching the information of the product to the buyers. It is known as promotion. So you are to implement your mission, strategy, long-term objective. You are setting product strategies, you are setting price strategies, you are setting promotion strategies, you are setting distribution strategies. And market segmentation, division of market. And market means buyers. This segmentation may be geographical. Say, for example, you have targeted to sell your product to Borishalla people. So, in that case, Borishal is a market segment. You are thinking to sell your product to American people. So, this is geographical segmentation. The market segmentation may be, say, for example, age base. You are targeting. So, market target is related with market segmentation. You are targeting to sell your product to ladies only. So ladies segmentation, gender-based segmentation. You are dividing the market according to the age. Say, for example, you are going to produce your product only for the adults, only for the old age people. So old age segmentation, adult segmentation, child segmentation, men segmentation, women segmentation, Borishella geographical segmentation. So there are a lot of segmentation strategies you can undertake to achieve your corporate objective. And then market positioning. Market positioning, what do you mean by market positioning? Market positioning means that how people will feel about your product. Creating long-term image. What is market positioning? It is creating long-term image. So if I ask you a question, which brand you are going to choose to buy your next pair of shoes? What will be your answer? Mr. Nayan?
Sir,
Market positioning, that means the question I am asking that which companies shoes you are going to choose in your next
sir, most
decision.
likely from Bata or Apex. because they have a very strong image in the market and also in my mind.
So, Apex, do you mean Apex?
Yes, sir. Bata or Apex.
Bata or Apex? And Mr. Zubair, what do you think? Mr. Zubair, are you here? Most probably they're in the office today. Tasnim,
Yes, sir.
so you are still here. I was thinking that you are in the, you know, Jamaat of Jamat.
Sir, so can you please repeat it?
No, I cannot repeat it. So the question is, when you are going to choose your next shoes, which companies will you choose?
So my next shoes.
You will choose which company or which brand you are going to choose for your next shoes.
Sir, I usually choose one single brand which I find reliable and has been providing me with better service. So based on that, should I, sir, name a specific brand that I use?
Yes, I am asking the name,
I would say Bata.
Bata. Okay, thanks. That means this is market positioning. When you are thinking to buy a product, you are thinking about a brand because it has created an image in your mind. It is known as market positioning. Am I clear what is market positioning? That means you have to position in the mind of the people. Sometimes positioning, people explain that it is the place where you are buying, selling product or something. So position, it means that image. So you have to develop your image. That may be through promotion, through alternative actions. These are also marketing strategies. And you can also develop a special market segment. And market segment and market niche, there is no difference. This is also a market segment, but it is a special segment. Say, for an example, you are going to sell product only to the Bangladesh Maritime University students. So you are offering a special promotional package for BMU students. You are giving a special discount to BMU students. You are giving preference to the BMU students. So BMU is your market niche. This is also a special segment, but a special promotion, a special product, a special price, a special distribution services are offered to the special segment. It is known as market niche. So if you know the definition of these terms, what is market share, what is market size, what is marketing mix, what is market segmentation, what is market position, what is market niche, this will help you to set your right strategies. So our objective is not teach you marketing. Our objective is choosing the right marketing strategy. Choosing what? Choosing the right marketing strategies that will help achieve your corporate objectives. And we have given you the example, what is market size, market share, etc. And in today's world, the principles of marketing have changed.